Namaskar. Welcome to the platform of Skill Rashtra Institute of Technology. Develop the skill to deal with the industry. I am Chetan More, your trainer, mentor for the course of Advanced Construction Management. In this particular video, we will try to understand the different layers of the construction management, right, which is also a component of our course. So basically the video is divided into two parts: introduction of the trainer and the introduction of the course. Before starting off the video, I just want to request you, just for a time being, just remove all the thoughts which you are right now going into your mind, so that you will be better able to understand what exactly I want to pitch to you. Introduction about trainer. I am Chetan More. My qualification is I have done my bachelor's in civil, master's in environmental engineering and post-graduation in advanced construction management. I worked with some of the top institutes and industries like L&T Construction, CBRE, Geet Govind Developers, and also working as a freelancer. I also trained many of the professionals and students of the institutes like College of Military Engineering, MITCON, Symbiosis, DY Patil, Institute of Real Estate and Finance, and many more. I am having a more than 9 years of experience, and other advantages of my, I can say in simple words, I am a director of Complete Project Solution, author of 3 published books, reviewer of various international journals, and written more than 30 research papers into the construction industry domain. Let's see the course content. Basically, the Advanced Construction Management course has been divided into this particular parts. So let's try to discuss one by one and what you can expect of that particular session, of that particular topic into our course. The first is contract management. Irrespective of that, you are working for a client firm, consultant firm, or a contractor firm. Even you may be going to join in the future if you're right now student. Irrespective of that, in our session, we will be covering all the 3 processes, like tender process if you belong to the contractor firm, bidding process and evaluation process if you belong to the client or consultant firm. Even what are the documents are going to require, the complete nutshell of a contract management, inclusive of the different process, complete cycle of a tender, bidding and contract. Even you are going to get an exposure of e-tender, different softwares you're going to use for an e-tender, and how exactly it is different from the conventional contract. Planning and scheduling. Right? So in our course, we will learning into detailed technical, but right now I don't want to pitch the technical. So I'm putting into very simple words, that is in the example of a marriage. I hope everyone is going to like it. So when we talk about a marriage, the first process is initiation. Initiation means I'm going to check the horoscope. If both the parties are ready, then I'm going to move to the next part, and that is planning. The first part of the planning is communication. Means I'm going to communicate with my friends. I'm going to post into the Facebook, in Instagram, 10 days left, 9 days left, mark that date. That all come under the category of communication. Similarly, the next phase, I'm going to decide which are the different main components I need to do in the marriage. For example, booking of the venue, fixing pandit, food management. So this is basically the part of scope management. Right? Next, once I made the big list, I need to detailing out. Similar way, in the site, I need to prepare a WBS. Next, because even our marriage is having a lot of activities involved, lot of people are involved. I'm talking before the COVID. Right now we are having a restriction. So in that we need to do a risk management. Similar way to our project also. Then it comes to the actual marriage day or just before the marriage when the actual work is started. Similar way in our project, it is called as a execution. After execution, we come with the monitoring the activities, right? And after that, done with the marriage means closure of my work. Basically, in our course, in the planning and scheduling, we are going to understand the basic principles of the planning, what are the approaches we are having, how to do the planning. Even we are going to see a case study without using any of the software, how to do the scheduling, and we are going to take a small case study and we will try to do parallelly with me in the session. And there will be 2 sessions specifically dedicated for planning and scheduling. One session will be at the end. That specific session will consist all your learning of this particular course. That will be total 11 sessions are there. On that particular last session of the planning and scheduling, we will try to take a knowledge, whatever the learning from the course, and we will try to put on the real life case scenarios, right? So that whatever you are learning are that need to become on that particular case and on that particular session. It is going to be very, very interesting session because we are going to put all your learnings into a one case study, and that is very, very fantastic session. Next is the site management. In site management, we are going to cover two case studies, right? So first case study, I'm going to give you a small responsibility like a site engineer. Second case study, it will be much more complex, much more bigger, and your responsibility is also going to increase like a planning manager or a construction manager. First case study I'm going to do with you, but second case study you need to do independently. I am only going to share you the data. You are going to do the parallelly with me. I'm going to do the mentoring. I'm going to help you out, but you need to do the hands-on experience with the live session. Next is the lean construction. This is the new trend into our India also. So in this particular session, we are going to understand the introduction to the lean construction, lean practices, and lean management. What are the different lean construction techniques we are having, and understanding the lean practice in a site with the help of a case study. So what are the difficulties we faced while execution of the same? Even what are the outcomes? What are the possibilities of better to do in your own site? That we are going to learn with that case study. Material management. When we heard the word, we thought of keeping or stacking of the material is called material management. No, material management is basically a scientific technique. Start from giving of the purchase order till the using of the material into the site. Right. So in this particular session, we are going to learn the store management, inventory management, how to stack the different material as per the IS codes and as per the industry standards. Even the best part of the session is we are going to have one more live case study, a big case study of a township, in which we will see what are the good practices, what are the bad practices, what is the learning from their frontline engineers and the managers of that particular case, so that it will be going to be give out the very good explanation and understanding of the material management. Next is the equipment management. The importance of equipment you maybe understand in this pandemic. Whenever we talk about a new equipment, right? So question may arise whether to buy or whether to lease. So this is a very important and critical question. We have tried to sort it out by making a simple Excel. I will not say it is having a lot of formulas, but a very simple formulas which will be understand you what the decision you need to take whenever you're going for a purchase of a new equipment. Even you are going to understand different equipments which we use for a construction industry. That out of 50 to 60% you may be aware, but remaining 30 to 40% and more than that, it will be new for you. But the important is, in all the categories, which are the advanced technology available that for that particular equipment that we are going to cover, which is very, very interesting. Quality management. If I'm going to ask a question, which company is top in India? Definitely L&T Construction. So what is the reason of that? Is it the age of the company? No, there are some companies older than the L&T. Ownership? No. They do the most economical work? No. So what makes them different, or the number one? That is the quality. In our session, we are going to learn the quality assurance, quality control, how to test the different material quality in the site without using any of the equipment, right? And even we are going to do online testing. Means I'm going to share you the template. So you're already going to have a template. So online we are going to do a test so that you can analyze and say, Mr. as per the IS code, this material is poor, or this material is having a good quality. So we can do an online session on this particular quality management. Next is the safety management, right? So most important. So why accidents happen into the site? What are the measures we can do to avoid the accidents, right? Which are the safety equipments used by the construction industry? And the most interesting part of the session is advanced system followed by top companies of India. Then the advanced technology. For this particular topic, because it is a vast and we want to make our candidates aware of all the advanced technology and their insights, so that we have converted into two sessions. So in that you're going to see all the new technology which is already started by using by the industry, and even the technology which is available but used by some other department not under the category of a planning or a construction management. So we are going to give a complete picture of all this technology. Now the most interesting part. We have running this course, and completely with respect to time we are changing and modifying this course from more than last 3 years, right? Even we have sold this course for around 3,000 and more. But right now, by considering the pandemic, we are giving at unbeatable price of $9.99 because all sessions are live sessions. The courses consist of a complete package of giving you the fast track knowledge on the construction management. Not even that, you are getting some other features also, like professional resume builder by a government certified master trainer. Right? Even the topper of the batch is going to get 1,449 cash. We are not going to say discount on the another course. We are directly going to give the cash. Even the second topper is going to get the 999 rupees. Even access to the technical data and the counseling. That means irrespective in the future, whenever you want to do a new profile or you want to give your own entrepreneurship or any kind of your own venture, that time you require some kind of a mentorship. We are doing it free of cost for you. You can talk to our academic counselor, our trainers, so that you will getting a appropriate guidance. There are some kind of a reviews in the front of you, so we will see into the detail. So this is the reviews I have put from my last session. So basically the course package include the certification from the institute. All the sessions will be the live. The complete course is made on a case study based and practical oriented training. Study material will be given to you, dedicated slot for a doubt clearance. Even the trainer share their numbers into our courses so that candidate can discuss any kind of a difficulty he is facing while doing the assessment of a case studies. Receive video recording in case of you get absent, you are getting the video recording, right? Even you want to do the revision, you can do the same. Dedicated mentor for counseling and the technical discussions. So at the end, I want to talk it in a very simple way. You maybe see a lot of engineers which is having a technical knowledge, but there are very less engineers who's having a technical knowledge plus managerial knowledge. So this basically the course package include technical, managerial plus administrative inputs, which makes this course completely unique. You want to know about the next batch or want to take the admission, talk to our academic counselor. Even the phone number of them and even the payment links are into the description. Thank you. See you in the batch.